What's up, 95ers? It's the fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Heyday Smokey. So, I've got my regular Smokey here from Cars 3 that you see most of the time in your stores, and yeah, I'm just going to get into this. So, immediately you see the new packaging of the cars, the number 51 on the side for Doc's Racing Days. A red Smokey who kind of looks longer than my diecast. And we'll go to the other side now. We've got Doc and Junior Moon. No clue who you are. Smokey. Sold separately. So, I'm just gonna, go visit RSN, why don't you? So I'm gonna open this guy up and I'll see you guys then. After unboxing this bad boy, I have a lot of questions. First, what happened to his side mirror? Second, why is he so much more freakishly larger than the normal Smokey that we got in Cars 3 when it first came out? And third, oh, we only got two. But seriously, why is it so much more freakishly large? Seriously. So much larger. Don't know why. But guess we'll just compare it besides all that. So on the side you see Smokey's Automotive Service, Thomasville. On this one you see the exact same thing basically. This one's just got more of like a reddish finish. It looks more brand new. On the front you see him smiling. He's still missing that side view mirror though, which I don't get. His wheels actually, I think they just lost the hubcaps, but they look like they've changed. And that's basically it for him. But seriously, why is he so much bigger than the original one I have? So, that's a question. It's a question now. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to get to 200 here soon. Actually, take as much time getting me to 200. Never mind. Just like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.